Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming the phone supports Face ID. Once done, open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode. You'll be asked to enter your passcode, so have that ready. Make sure lighting is even and remove glasses or masks that block key facial features. This improves scan accuracy. Hold the phone upright at arm's length and frame your face inside the viewfinder. Once you see the setup screen, tap Get Started to start the first face scan. Now follow the on-screen circle prompts. Move your head slowly so the camera captures top, bottom, and side angles of your face. You'll do a first scan, then the system prompts a second scan. Complete both to increase recognition reliability. Make sure the phone remains at a steady distance and keep facial expressions natural. If moving is difficult, tap Accessibility options before starting. That reduces required motion and still trains Face ID adequately for everyday unlocking and authentication tasks. After both scans finish, enable the features you want like iPhone unlock and App Store purchases. This ties Face ID to those actions. To verify, lock the phone and test unlocking from various angles and lighting conditions to confirm reliability. If Face ID struggles, go back to Settings and choose Reset Face ID, then redo the setup. Make sure iOS is up to date and the true depth camera area is clean and unobstructed. Remove screen protectors that cover the sensor if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.